What's up guys? How you doing? Today is August 5th, 2021 and our crypto market sentiment analysis today is 50, which is neutral, and coin market cap, Bitcoin just doing flat right now. Ethereum 4% up, Solana 3% up. So AAVE 14% up. So it's kind of mixed right now. Crypto bubbles, I only see few reds. And there's Rune, BCHAQNT. Okay, let's go to the chart. So CIX on the monthly chart, right now it's creating a descending channel. So we might see the price, it might pop up here or it will continue to go down. On the 4-hour chart, ascending wedge, it broke already. The price broke on this ascending wedge. And right now it went for a pullback. Right now it's right here. Let's see if the price will break to the upside or continue to go down. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we are in a bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we almost reached the golden ratios. Right now we'll see the price target is somewhere here for double top. Let's see. Let's move it for now. It's called the double top. So for now, this is our target. Overall, we're in a bull run. Same as in Ethereum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already reached the golden ratio. So our target is 4,600. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I posted this one here in TradingView. Boom. Just like magic, guys. Right now is somewhere here now. Bitcoin on the daily chart. I see this trend line here, and the price is not yet break on this trend line. So I see a rising wedge on the 4-hour chart. We see this rising wedge and this ascending channel here, and the price broke on this channel. And yesterday we had a pullback, and today we went here and another pullback. So let's see, our initial target is somewhere here at 0.618, which is somewhere at 34,300, somewhere there. So Ethereum on the daily chart, I see also this descending channel right now, but it created a wedge on the 4-hour chart. We're still on this wedge. So let's see if the price will break on this trend line or might the price will break on this wedge. Guys, if you like Ethereum, there's another one here. Just find the ETF, this one ETF. Last time I discussed this, I was hoping the price will go down here at somewhere at $6, but it didn't. Right now the price broke on this descending channel, so it's right here now. If you can see the history, they started here somewhere here at April 20th, and it doubled your money. May 10. In 1 month you can double your money, but there's no guarantee, guys. But right now it's pumping up now. Dogecoin broke on this channel, and let's go to the 4-hour chart. As we discussed this last time, when it broke on the channel, it also created a channel here, and I see a head and shoulders pattern. So let's see the price if it still has the potential to go down here somewhere at 13 cents or 8 cents. But guys, this is a great buying opportunity. Shiba is just doing sideways on this support here, and on the 4-hour chart, it also creating a channel here. So let's see if the price will go up or it will go down, because there's also a big channel here. Will the price bounce on this channel or the price will break now on this big channel? ICP, we discussed this last time. Actually posted this one. It's creating a flag formation here. My initial target here is at 51, but the price is now doing sideways. Filecoin, that last time we discussed this also. It broke on the trend here, and right now price go up, but right now it's also creating a channel. So these are my posts, guys. Last time, yeah, we discussed this. Okay guys, you can follow my trades here, guys. Trading like magic. I think that's it, guys, for today. Take care, and I love. Bye bye.